Designed in California. Comes with 5 BPA-free trays, 1 mesh screen, 1 fruit roll sheet, 1 manual, 1 recipe. Check out our video on the left side and take a quick tour of this food dehydrator. Search for C1652MS or C1652FR to get more accessories. Easy for beginners, with digital timer and adjustable temperature control. Time ranges, 30 minutes 48 hours, set the timer in 30-minute increments for up to 48 hours, temperature ranges, 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Versatile dehydrator, dehydrate beef jerky, turkey jerky, meat, fruits, vegetables for a healthy life, make non-addict dog treats for your pets, try backpacking food for outdoor adventurers. Quiet to use, simply press the start button to dehydrate your food and go to sleep. The noise is less than 48 decibels, which equals noise levels recorded in the library. Safe to use -100% BPA-free trays 5. ETL listed. Auto shutoff prevents food dehydrator from overheating, even though you're not at home. 120 volts, 450 watts. Please note that this voltage only applies to USA and Canada. Easy to clean and store. Easily clean food from the dehydrator's base with a damp cloth or a brush/sponge. Please put the fruit roll sheet on the bottom tray, which will prevent liquid dripping on the base. Top reviews from the United States. Best food dehydrator. I own several COSORI appliances and I all love them. So this one as well. I started to make beef and turkey jerky as a snack, primarily that I know what's in it. And guess what? Best jerky ever. My husband loves it when he goes for a ride on his Harley. The way you can set the temperature and time makes it easy to create the dried food exactly as you like it. I work with lower temperatures as the booklet recommends, keeps the meat softer and juicier, and to be on the safe side I keep it in the refrigerator. By the way, I marinate the meat 48 hours at least. With fruit, I am still experimenting. Here as well with lower temperatures, especially oranges, but it takes some patience and checking in. Bananas too. I use it outside on our back porch for good airflow and to avoid the intense aromas in the house. All in all, I am very happy with my new appliance. An excellent price/performance ratio. I just like it. Highly recommend it.